Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to read aloud email messages in Microsoft Outlook, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your emails and use the read aloud feature we'll be exploring today. Once your email inbox has finished loading, you'll see your inbox pane on the left side of the screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is where you'll start the process of using the read aloud feature. For this demonstration, go ahead and select any email from your inbox that you'd like to have read aloud to you. This feature is particularly useful when you want to multitask or prefer listening to your emails instead of reading them. After selecting your email, double-click on it to open it in a separate window. This is important because the read aloud feature requires the email to be opened in its own window to access the additional email tools we need. Opening the email this way gives you access to more advanced options that aren't available in the preview pane. Now, in the new email window that just opened, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. Look for the option labeled Immersive Reader and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to enhance readability and includes the read aloud functionality we're after. The Immersive Reader is a powerful tool that helps make content more accessible and easier to consume. After clicking on Immersive Reader, another email window will appear. This time, the window will display your email in a cleaner, more focused format that's optimized for the read aloud experience. You'll notice the layout is simplified to help you focus on the content without distractions. Finally, to activate the read aloud feature, look at the bottom part of this window and you'll see a play button. Simply click on this play button and Microsoft Outlook will begin reading your email aloud to you. The voice will read through your entire email from start to finish, allowing you to listen hands-free. You can pause or stop the reading at any time using the same controls. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the read aloud feature for your emails in Microsoft Outlook, making it easier to consume your messages in a more convenient and accessible way. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.